Hello everyone, this is the 36th video of the web programming video series. Today we are going to discuss how to send a feedback to the purchased product. So in my last video we talked about the purchasing history. There I showed you a feedback button. By clicking on that button we can add feedbacks about our product. So we'll go to see that process. Okay, this is my eShop web application. We'll go to the purchasing history. This is the purchasing history. Here all the purchased products by the user will be shown. Today we are going to talk about the feedback sending process. So after you purchase a product, that product will be displayed here. So by clicking on the feedback button, you can send a feedback. Here you can select what type of feedback you are going to send. Is it a positive feedback or a neutral feedback or a negative feedback? So now I'm going to send a positive feedback. The user's email will be displayed in the model. So now we are going to type your feedback. So now I type my feedback. After typing your feedback, you can click on Save Feedback button. Now you have saved the feedback. Now we'll go to the products homepage. Here we'll see the single product view of this Samsung Galaxy S20. Here we add the feedback to this product. Here you can see my feedback is successfully saved. You can see my feedback here. So this is the feedback sending process. Okay, we can send a negative feedback also. I'm going to send this feedback. We'll go to the product again. Here in the single product view, now you can see a negative feedback. This is the feedback sending process. We'll go to see the codes. Okay, we are in the purchasing history.php file. Here in the feedback button, we have started an on-click function add feedback, and also we have passed the product ID through this function. We'll go to script.js file to see the add feedback function. Okay, this is the add feedback function. Here we have viewed the model. We have taken a bootstrap model and we are going to view the model through this function. First we'll see the model. Okay, this is the model. Here we have given the title add new function, and also we have given 3 radio buttons to select whether it is positive feedback or negative feedback or a neutral feedback. Next, here we have displayed the user's email through the session. Here we have given a text area to type your feedback, and we have the close button and the save feedback button. So on the save feedback button, we have started an on-click function, save feedback. There also we have passed the product ID to the script file. Here this is the save feedback function. Here we have created a variable type. So we have taken the 3 radio buttons IDs and we have checked whether which radio button is selected. If the positive radio button is selected, the type will be 1. If the second radio button or the neutral radio button is selected, the type will be equal to 2. And if the negative feedback is going to be given, the type will be 3. So now we are going to send the value of the type, the product ID and the feedback text to the save feedback process.php file. We are going to send these details through the post method. Okay, we'll go to send feedback process.php file. Okay, this is the send feedback process.php file. Here we have started the session and also linked the connection.php file. First, using a if condition, we have checked whether there's a user signed in. If there's a user signed in, we are going to save the email of the user and the type of the feedback, product ID and the feedback text as variables here. Now using these codes, we are going to take the current time, and using this query, we are going to insert those details to the feedback table. So here using this query, I have entered all the details to the feedback table. We'll go to the feedback table. This is the feedback table. Now this table is empty. I'm going to refresh the table. Now you can see there are 2 feedbacks in this table. After this process is successfully done, we can echo number 1. Here I have said that if the echo is equal to 1, we have to hide the model, else we have to show the alert. So this is the feedback saving process. Now we'll go to single product view. Here in the single product view, we have designed a part for feedbacks. Here using these queries, I have searched for the feedbacks with the given product ID. So this is the feedback sending process. This is the end of my video. Thank you.